Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 1700 Diane Drive here in Titusville. So if you are interested in a home in this area, this one is over 1,900 square foot, so you've got a ton of space in here. We're going to walk into this huge living room area. As you can see, it goes straight into the formal dining room area, and you got some extra space there on the side as well. So if you have a really big table, you can put that sideways. We're going to go over here to your guest side. So we've got bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. You have decent sized bedrooms here. Typical closets. We'll take a step back so you can kind of take a look in there. Nice wood doors on there. And this is the bathroom for your guests. So typical tub shower combo. And that nice pretty green color. Remember that color back in the day? We always got green, blue, or pink. And I do kind of like the green. There's your pantry there, or your place for all your towels. Back into the living room, just to keep our bearings straight. There is that front door. And then we are going to go right back this way. Again, dining room area. And then this room here is absolutely huge. So they were using this one as the primary bedroom. Absolutely amazing space here. So this would technically be bedroom number 4 if you were going to use it as your primary bedroom. You do have your laundry, which is inside here, and then a mop sink, and you've got a half bath here. And of course, this room does not have to be your primary bedroom. This could be a game room. It could be a man cave. It could be your craft room. Lots of people doing homeschool these days. Would be an awesome space for homeschooling. And then right in here, we have a massive kitchen. So lots of cabinets and some nice pretty cabinets at that. Granite countertops. You can get a look from this side as well, just so you can kind of get a good bearing on how much space we actually have in here. This room is huge. And then it goes into this little space right here. Kind of just an extra space, I would assume here. And then we're going to go out into this closed-in patio area. So those windows could open up if you wanted to get a breeze in here, or if you wanted it completely under air, you could put in a split unit or a window unit. And if you needed a 5th bedroom, there you go. Now we even have bedroom number 5. We got this nice long hallway here. You've got lots of cabinet stuff, pantry area. And then this is technically the real primary bedroom. So we do have our doors. We go in here, go down this little hallway. This is kind of just an extra closet area as we go into the primary bedroom. Closets on that side. Kind of go around this way so you can kind of see. You've got your bathroom right here. We just have the shower. And then as we go through here, we've got the sink on this side. So definitely a little bit different there. Kind of got an L shape, but if you were over here brushing your teeth and doing your thing over here, you got a little privacy from the toilet and the shower over there. Again, down the hallway there, we had the kitchen, back into the family and dining area. And we see that front door again. And this huge room on the side. Again, so many uses for this room right here. So I just want to do a quick recap. I'm at 1700 Diane Drive in Titusville. We are listed at $294 technically 293.5. Would love to show you this home in person and give me a call. My name again is Margaret. My phone number is 321-480-7662. And you can call me directly, or if you already have a realtor, let your realtor know that you would like to see 1700 Diane Drive in Titusville, and they can jump on in here and show you themselves. Hope you have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Appreciate you taking the tour with me. Don't forget to subscribe.